I am redoing my craft room. So I moved into my house like 2 months ago, and I decided I was filming myself unpacking my craft room. I was gonna get everything organized. I have no idea where my tripod is, so bear with me. But I moved. We're in the new craft room, and I know I just did a reorganization of my craft room not too long ago, but we're about to do another one. This time move-in edition.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
I got the drawers in. I gotta figure out what to put underneath this because one of the pegs fell off the bottom, so now it kind of wobbles. Yeah, maybe I'll just put like a little thing under there for now, cardboard under there, until I find some more pegs or something. Maybe like one of those felt things, I don't know. It got lost somewhere. Right, Vader? The shelf got pretty messed up on the move because I was dumb and didn't wrap it. So it has like some, you can't really see it, but it has scratches and stuff. So this side's gonna go on the floor. Yeah.
The past.
Mistakes are made. Mistakes are made. Okay, I'm gonna set up my wire shelves over here because once I get all my shelving up, it'll be easier to kind of put stuff away. Plus, for some reason this outlet doesn't work, so we're just gonna put some shelves in front of it. Don't even need to use it, it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna build these wire shelves. I had these in my closet before and I stored yarn in them and like my finished products, so I might like put yarn at the bottom and then some finished products at the top. We'll see. I think I have enough. But yeah. Miles.
This is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm
Hi, Vader. The yarn shelf has been made. So I'm kind of considering caking all my yarn because a lot of it's all tangled, but I know that's going to take forever, but we might just do it anyway.
alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every.
Hey, this is some horror movie lighting, but it's like 8:30 and 2 of the bulbs are blown out in this room, but I did a little bit more rearranging in the craft room because I decided I didn't like the configuration. So this is where we're at right now. So I moved the bunny over here because I decided that I needed the closet space. So now I have the yarn storage there and bins and stuff, and I can just close and hide that mess. But yeah, I needed the extra storage in the closet because this room's kind of small. So, sorry Lola, you can't be in the closet. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure out where to put everything because I feel like this room is kind of smaller than my other room was. I don't really know. I was in an apartment before, but I feel like this room's a little bit smaller than that room was. Might just be because of the way I have my desk, like in the middle of the room. But I didn't want to put my desk like in the corner like normal because it'll block this like heat vent over here, and it just wouldn't sit against the wall. It was weird. And I only have 2 outlets that work in this room because the outlet back here behind Lola doesn't work, hence why I put Lola there. But yeah, ideally I'd like to put Lola somewhere else, but yeah, my husband doesn't want her in the living room because she smells funny sometimes. But yeah. Vader, don't eat the hay. She also apparently likes to move her litter box and pee on the floor. Stop that. Yeah, I really want to set up my computer so I can actually use my computer, but I feel like I need to put some more of this craft stuff away. Vader, don't eat hay. That's why you barf. But yeah, I have this mountain of yarn because I kind of want to cake it all and then store it like that, but I don't know if I want to spend the time doing that. We'll see. And then I started to realize I didn't have a ton of room for stuff, so we're remodeling the entire craft room. Kind of just decided this last week, so that'll be fun. I also decided to repaint everything because I want my room to be purple. Meets the aesthetic, my favorite color. So we are painting today. I got everything out of here, and right now it's in my living room, kind of being a mess, but I got everything out of here. And yeah, we're just gonna paint. I bought some shelving for the closet to kind of organize everything, so we're gonna have to do some handiwork soon. But yeah, kind of random, kind of last minute, but figured I would share this process with you guys anyway so we can make this craft room usable. Started taping a little bit. I kind of just have my computer desk in the middle of the room because I didn't want to disassemble it, so I just kind of moved it to the side. I'll probably do this wall last so I can move stuff over again because I just really don't have room for it. But yeah, I need to tape everything else. Everything is taped, you guys. I taped everything, even the baseboards. I'm just gonna take down my blinds so I don't get paint on them because those are the new blinds. And then we can start edging and then start painting. Yay! I decided to just like tape the entire room, and I'm just gonna move stuff around as I like maneuver around it, I guess. So we recently painted our basement, so I have to go downstairs and get all the like paint supplies and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I might eat a snack because I'm kind of hungry and it's like noon now. But yeah, I'm excited to start painting. The faster I start painting, the faster I can get my house back together because it's a mess now. I need to figure out how to take these closet doors off because I think I just want to take them off so I can put shelving in there. I might also paint the door because they're like an ugly orange color. I don't know why. So I might paint them white, but we'll see. I'm probably going to paint the inside of the closet last, so that's going to wait because I need to take down the shelving in there and take off the doors. And I don't know if I can do that by myself, so we'll see. One more before I start slapping some paint on her. So exciting. I just finished the first coat. I have to do a second coat though because it's a little splotchy in some spots. It's 3 o'clock. I did take a little lunch break, but it's been 3 hours to paint this room, and it's a tiny room. This is like a 10 foot by 10 foot room. It's tiny. But yeah, I'm gonna wait a couple hours for this coat to dry, and then I'm gonna hopefully put on a second coat. I think while it's drying, I'm gonna maybe try to work on this closet and see if I can take these doors down and stuff. But yeah, let me show you what it looks like so far. I love it. Just look how purple. Okay, that side is like still wet. The window's making it look really weird here, but let me go to the other angle maybe. Maybe that'll be better for y'all. It's very hard to get a good wide angle of this room. That's what it looks like so far. Ah, I love it so much. It's great. Brings me so much joy. Don't play in the paint, Vader. Don't play in the paint. So I'm happy the closet doors were actually pretty easy to get off. I need to figure out how to take this rack thing out because I'm going to be putting my own shelving in here, and I want to paint this closet too, so I'm going to have to try to figure out what to do with that. I think I should just be able to unscrew it, but I'm not really sure how easy it's going to be. So let's see what we can do. You see this bracket here? Tell me how. Tell me how. They got a screw under there. How do I unscrew that? I'm so confused. What the hell? I literally don't know why it was so hard to install an air vent.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.